black pepper, salt.
And while you're waiting for that to cook, you can just make yourself a nice coffee. So
These are ready. Transfer.
transfer it over.
Again, transfer. Let's process it.
The beans have been processed in Wellington, but you know, they come from overseas. Smells divine. And then we pour about 250 mils to 15 grams of coffee. Just give it a quick stir. And
Put a teaspoon of
what powder is that?
this thickener. So I got a rice flour or oat, or you can add some flour,
Nice.
wheat flour. Just for nice flavor. And I got a bit about celery salt. I think a bit of black pepper here.
Turn the heat down. Take it off.
Chili flakes here.
Yep.
Spread up your
Eggs go right back
eggs.
in. You just add some herbs to garnish.
Just celery herbs. Oregano on the top. Plating. It's ready for plating now.
Wait, we forgot our coffee.
Yeah.
So we got to plunger our coffee in.
Now it's time for plunging the coffee.
Next to our eggs. We just like a black coffee. Arabic roast, Wellington, grounded. Black coffee.
Yes, beautiful with the black coffee.
Healthy breakfast.
So healthy breakfast.
That's sweet. Thank you for watching.